Hello traders, this is James Ramelli from Alpha Shark Trading here to break down a profitable earnings trade that I had in Hasbro, HAS. So this is exactly how I analyzed and broke down the setup on Friday coming into earnings this morning. And the first thing I saw was that Hasbro has a very strong historical movement record. It rallied 9 times out of the past 12 quarters with an average move of around 5.57%. So I know that taking any quarter out of the past 3 years at random, Hasbro was 3 times as likely to rally than it was to sell off. So I knew that I had a bullish bias to start out. Now the implied move in Hasbro this time around for this Friday's expiration was about $4.10, which gave me an upside target of 86.55. With that in mind, I looked at the chart and saw that Hasbro was very strong on a daily chart above the cloud sloped higher, and both of the moving averages on the cloud were also above the cloud. So what I did was got long Hasbro using weekly call spreads, and this is a typo. I actually bought the April 22nd, this week's weekly 85-87 call spreads for 50 cents, risking $50 to make $150 per one lot with a break even of 85.50. Now this morning when Hasbro opened, it traded as high as 88 bucks, and on that move higher, I was able to sell some of these for $1.50, which is a triple over my entry price on Friday. Now, at this current level, if the stock stayed here and expired on Friday at 86.79, these spreads would be worth $1.79. Now, I'm hoping that the stock continues higher and goes above 87, but by managing the position the way that I did, taking off half of the position at a triple, I cannot lose money in Hasbro. So this is exactly how I set up and manage every earnings trade I do. You'll see a lot more of this now that we are fully into the cycle, and it's a really great example of how a well-planned trade can go well and net very nice profits if we get the correct move in the stock. And that's exactly what happened in Hasbro today. Everyone have a fantastic evening, and as always, happy trading.